Good evening. I'm Shamaria Morrison, your downtown neighborhood reporter. And behind me in this courtroom, the trial is still ongoing regarding the case against a Tallahassee man who's being accused of both driving under the influence and having a suspended license. Now, this trial gained some national attention after a clip of his arrest that happened in May of 2023 went viral online. And in that clip, there have been questions about the conduct of one Tallahassee police officer who was in charge of that arrest. This is how we got here. According to court testimony and an arrest report, Calvin Riley was arrested on South Monroe Street on May 2023. He was eventually charged with a DUI and having a suspended license. The case hadn't made any waves until a clip of the body camera footage in that case went viral. ABC 27 has not been able to independently obtain that video, so we're not showing it. The Tallahassee Police Department has declined to release it until after the case. From what we've seen of an edited version of that video, Tallahassee Police Officer Kirsten Oliver is seen pouring a liquid out of a sealed bottle from Riley's car. Defense argued in opening statements that the charges are unjust and that the state's basis of the DUI is tied to that bottle being poured out and thrown into the car.
Officer Oliver reaches in Calvin Riley's vehicle, grabs a full, sealed, unopened bottle of liquor, cracked it open. You will actually hear the plastic seal break. It is a distinct sound. You're going to see it from the angle of her own body camera. She was too brazen to even bother turning it off. She then pours out some, but not all of the liquid, puts the cap back on, and then tosses the bottle back into his vehicle.
The defense asks that charges be dropped due to their claims of misconduct by Oliver, who took the stand today. The judge denied that motion. The state is arguing that was simply a mistake of knowing policy by Officer Oliver.
See, you're going to learn throughout today's trial that impairment isn't necessarily falling on the floor drunk or tipping over, struggling to walk. It can be something as simple as your vision is affected when I take my glasses off. It can be something as simple as not being able to follow instructions, struggling to find documents. It can be something as simple as slurring your words.
Now, in regards to that video, TBD has already told us they do not plan on releasing it until after the trial that's happening behind me. And also, you may have noticed people have been coming out, and that's because I'm just told that we're going into recess. The officer from TPD who is being accused of that misconduct, she was on the trial, and we'll continue to keep you updated on what she has been saying, as well as some of the testimony, and there might be some back and forth with the defense coming to cross-examine. And we are expected to go pretty late here. The judge telling jurors that we may go into dinner, and if that happens, that everyone is going to have to stay and that he'll provide dinner for the jurors. And this case could see itself going all the way up until Monday. For now, live at the Leon County Courthouse, Shamaria Morrison for ABC 27.